So the way that I made my first dollar online was through the Amazon KDP program. So what you're going to do is go to Google and type in Amazon KDP, or you can just go to kdp.amazon.com and go to this website right here. Okay, and this is how you can get your books on the Amazon website. It says self-publish ebooks and print books for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon, right? So back when I started my journey to making money online, this was one of the things that popped up. There is a man online, and he's been online for more than 10 years showing, oh wow, he's been online for more than 10 years showing people how they can publish ebooks on Amazon, on Amazon's ebook company. So now I did begin to publish small short ebooks on Amazon, but I stopped because this is a passive income stream. And at that time, back in 2011, I was really in survival mode. I had some personal things that were going on in my life, and I needed those bills paid right now. Now with Amazon KDP, they pay you, you get your first payment after 2 months, right? So I wasn't able to do that and wait 2 months to get paid, or to start building up my catalog. Now the funny thing is, till this day I still get royalties from ebooks that I published back then and over time. So basically with this model, the more books you add to your catalog, the more royalties you get. Now there are some people that are absolutely killing it. They're making 1,000, 2,000. The person who showed me how to do this, he's making 30,000 and up just on Kindle publishing ebooks, right? And he showed me basically an easy way for me to do it, how I was able to do it myself. Now, if you want to learn and get started, I'm going to go ahead and place a link in the description to where you can watch the same video that I watched, where he shows you exactly what to do and how you can get your ebooks published. So like I said, this is a passive income stream, right? So it's slow at first and you have to build it up. You really have to take action and build up and add more books on here. So he shows you how to do that, and he for free. Once you watch the video, take notes and you'll be able to start publishing books here on Amazon.com. But if you do want to go more into detail, because he not only shows you how to publish your own books, write your own books, he also shows you how to get other people to write it for you, which is totally legal on the Amazon website, and how you can basically just multiply yourself and add more books that way. So that way you can get to those royalty checks quicker. All right. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to add another income stream to your repertoire, go ahead and click that link below. I am an affiliate. Watch that video and it'll show you everything that you need to know. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment below if this is something that interests you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.